What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us. It's very obvious the theme of today is getting the refund on AliExpress. Today we're going to break down the process of getting a refund on AliExpress into details. Teach you how to cope with every situation you might run into during returning products on AliExpress, step by step. Tutorials like this will definitely help you a lot, so subscribe us if you haven't. Turn the notification bell. Keep up your business with CJ Dropshipping. Dropshipping with AliExpress is a good choice because it has countless products with very profitable prices. However, appealing potential profit comes with higher risk. It's easy to run into scams on AliExpress, and we talked about how to avoid scams in our previous video. If you're interested, click here to watch. Now let's dive into the main content today. Part 1. When can you get a refund? The procedure for refunding the order's value on AliExpress starts with the buyer's request. There may be several reasons for a return. For example, the seller did not send the order on time. The client has canceled an order that has not yet been sent. The buyer wins the dispute with full or partial compensation. Freezing an order due to detection of fraud from the seller's side. Speaking of which, want to stay away from the fraud? Again, check here. Part 2. Refund options on AliExpress. AliExpress has two refund options. Option 1. Partial or full refund without returning the goods. The item that has not arrived is subject to a full refund. Partial refunds are provided for cases when the amount of your claims is less than the value of the goods. For example, you ordered a white t-shirt but a blue one arrived. It is also applicable when a product comes with minor defect but still usable. You specify the amount of compensation yourself, but the final result sum will be the result of bidding with the seller. If you do not agree, the AliExpress administration will join the dispute and deliver the final verdict. Option 2. Return of goods and money. This method implies the buyer sending the item back to the seller at their own cost. When the seller receives the package, your money will be returned. This method is more troublesome and the effort is not always justified. In conclusion, if you bought an expensive item, sometimes it is more profitable to send it back and get a full refund than to claim partial compensation, and vice versa. Part 3. Steps to get a refund. Claiming a refund on AliExpress is a straightforward process. However, you should be careful even with the minor details for a claim to be approved. Here are what your plan or action should include. First, collect evidence. Always remember to take a picture of the package you received before you confirm the delivery on AliExpress. If your product turned out to be damaged, take clear pictures of it and save these pictures as evidence, which will help you getting a reasonable refund. Number 2. Talk to the seller. This step is very important because the chance of getting a full refund is bigger if you can negotiate with your seller smoothly. Number 3. Open a dispute. Number 4. Track the progress. First, enter your AliExpress homepage, and here in Help Center, you can actually open a dispute. So now let's just get into My Orders. Click. Here's my order and find the awaiting shipment where the already paid product is. Okay, so now let's click View Detail. And this is the details of my order. And here's a limitation date of the latest shipment. And here, down at the bottom, there's also a help center where we can open the dispute. So now we click Request Order Cancellation. If you choose to submit this request, the seller needs to respond within 72 hours. If he agrees your request, you will get a full refund within 3 to 20 working days. And here it says let us know why you want to cancel order. So obviously we have to give them a reason. You can select one from the list. I do not need this order anymore, and so many others. I'm just going to choose other reasons and click OK. Okay, now this whole cancellation is submit. But just to confirm furthermore, we're going to check order details. Your order cancellation request is pending the supplier's approval. Seller will usually respond to your cancellation request within 72 hours. If there is no response within that time, your cancellation will be approved automatically, which is good, right? And also, you can also talk to your seller and tell them about it just to remind them to check this whole request, because sometimes they got too busy. And that's pretty much it. It's very easy. If you want to return the product before they ship out, just do this. Part 5. How to cope with common problems. Although the AliExpress platform usually works without mistakes, exceptional cases sometimes occurs. Number 1. The dispute has ended, but you did not receive the refund. If you paid for your order by credit card, the money should reach it within 3 to 15 business days. If the refund process is over and you have not received your money, double-check your account statement. If you still cannot see the refund, forward your bank statement directly to the AliExpress customer support team. Number 2. Why is the refund less than expected? If the refund you were expecting was bigger than you received, check order details to view your full or partial refund application. While AliExpress buyer protection is free to all buyers, the following costs are not covered. First, fees of the bank that issued the credit card. Second, transaction fee. Third, changes in the exchange rate. So if you use your credit card to pay, for more information, you can contact your bank. Ensure you keep all the details of your order until you receive the refund, and you can provide reliable evidence of the problem. The platform enables customers to claim their money back if something is wrong with the item they ordered, or if the seller was dishonest. However, it still requires shoppers to invest time and effort to deal with dispute and refund applications. Thus, do thoroughly check the seller and their products before placing an order. It's vital to avoid spending time and effort on requesting refunds. This is all for today. If you like this video, give us a thumb up. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do it now. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. I'm Bella from CJ Dropshipping. Thank you for watching and see you guys next week on Monday.